Krabi. The real party starts here. We are done with Bangkok. The first 3 days of Bangkok is over and we are going to Krabi right now. We are heading to the airport and we are saying goodbye to Bangkok and now we headed to Krabi.
Croissant, guys, it's an egg croissant.
And the plane is 40 minutes or something. 1 hour. 1 hour from here. And Krabi is going to be very exciting because it's an island and it has a very beautiful, it's so beautiful. You guys will see it in the vlog. We are in Krabi right now. Now the real party.
Actually, it's going to be crazy good, guys. Now he'll
Guys, we are in Krabi. Here the real entry.
I don't know if Adil is getting scammed by somebody, but some lady has told us to come with her because her cab seems like it is cheap. So let's see.
You come here.
How much time? Now? Coming now?
2 minutes. The car park over there.
Bro, you're not taking it's too inside the face. I'm serious.
Guys, Gaura started in the morning itself. He's coming in annoying. This looks like some Mumbai train station. Borivali, Chikkuvadi. I don't know. Hey, bro.
What's up, man?
Beauty, dekh rahe.
Man, can you keep the camera?
Are you feeling awkward?
Yeah.
Guys, these people have a problem when I'm vlogging, when I'm not vlogging that time. Cameraman, yeah, what's up? Face recognition.
Look at all that dandruff, bro. Crazy.
You guys want some snow for Christmas? Here you get it from. What scam you fell into?
Bro, they said they can't take you in the bus because you all look like a trans.
When Adil has matured 5 years, that time we shall go back. No?
Wait, relax.
Wait.
150 ค่ะ
Habibi, wait.
What?
Wait, Sabu.
Rahul, fuck this, you order that. You order and grab.
No, 100 you guys can it.
Guys, Adil's ego hurt, so he wants to cancel this one. That's what happened right now. We cancelled the book.
You didn't cancel it. If they say 2 minutes, it has to be 2 minutes. It can't be like 5 times. We are not here for free.
The thing is, I thought the cab is ready over here. Like, we are reaching the
I'm
line.
not here for free. In 2 minutes,
minutes
he's going to give birth here, I think. Tap has arrived and we're keeping our luggage. Whoa, it looks pretty good. Guys, this place we gotta wear seatbelts. The other in Bangkok we didn't have to wear seatbelts.
It's not always till we get down because there's police checking. Then after that, boom boom.
What? I think we are saying so much boom boom. People get the wrong idea.
Boom boom is boom boom. There's no other explanation.
Guys, we in Krabi. The real party starts here. Bangkok was a great time. It's like a city place, but now we're in the island vibe. The beach, the beautiful sky, the beach, the water. Everything's gonna be lit. And first view, everything's like an Indian view here. It seems like it's India.
Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase. And that's a go.
Guys, look at this. This is like the Huawei. Huawei? That's how he said. Huawei. Huawei. Jabal J is nothing. This is way beautiful, I would say. Oh, look at that. It feels like it's in Kerala or something. Guys, this is our villa. And we are very excited to get in. And let's see. She's just cleaning it, so she's not letting us in now. But from here, I can see the pool and the TV and the speakers. It's gonna be lit. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to our villa that we booked in Krabi, and this looks amazing. It is so perfect for us. And here we go. These are the scooters that we rented. We got around 4 scooters, and we have a table here, like a normal chilling table. And then we have the sexy lady Jen.
Full sexy. Good, come in, huh? You think I know how to swim?
Yeah.
All the wives only.
And then we have seating here. And the night, the lights will all come up here. It's going to be beautiful. And then we have like an open kitchen, and the best part, we got a jacuzzi here. And then we have an open kitchen here with table and all. And now, that's the best part. We're gonna see the house. And we have the sofa, TV, and great speakers, massive speakers. We have a pool table here. Pool table, and actually they have made the house really Yeah, comfortable. Oh my god, this is so good. It's like a hostel stay or something. Very nice, very nice. And the bathroom is amazing. Wow. Another room. Thank you. I was waiting for someone to call. Then we have another room. This is another room. 3 people can sleep here. Actually, we have extra beds, yeah?
Yeah.
They have kept a shower cap. It's like very aesthetic and very pleasing.
And this is the third room.
We totally have 3 rooms, and how many beds? 4 plus 3.
That's 3.
Plus
That is
3.
7, 10 beds.
10 beds, and we're 7 people. If you guys want to come, let's go.
Let's go.
Bro, I'm so happy. Very nice. That's a wrap. That's our home tour.
Guys, this is the outside area actually.
And look how they made it. So,
And it's-
whoa, look at this. Very nice.
It's very amazing, guys. Like, no joke.
Was the original?
Yup, this is crazy.
Bro,
And this is the pool, guys.
Bro, you have a coffee maker?
You have everything. Washing machine also.
Where is the coffee? Washing machine.
This is pani.
That's funny shit. You have a water dispenser? Crazy. Too good. Too good to be true. Guys, this is the Thailand vacation that no one expected. This is how Thailand vacation should be. Book a really good villa next to an amazing, beautiful island. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have a lot of adventures coming. And a lot of places to see. നമ്മളിപ്പോ കേരളത്തിലെത്തി. കേരളത്തിലെ നമ്മുടെ ഏത് ജില്ലയിലെ?
Guys, we are in Kannur right now.
കണ്ണൂരിലെ
that turn is very familiar to me.
കണ്ണൂരിൽ നമ്മൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇവിടെ ബാക്കിൽ 2 നോർത്തി പിള്ളേർ ചെക്കന്മാരുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഇത് ഏതോ കസിന്റെ വീടാന്ന് അതിലൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഇത് ഏത് ഭാഷ ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
It's like we are in Kerala but in a different time.
Now I'm sweating, bro. You're not feeling hot?
I'm also sweating.
Actually, Bangkok was not this hot, yeah. It's exactly like how we feel when we're walking in Kerala because the places are very similar to each other. And now we're walking.
It's mainly the greenery, you know. Everywhere you look, there's a grass, like grass and all that stuff. So that's the main feeling we're getting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and for you, yeah.
Go slow.
No, and Pasi will decide. Today is the day. Bomb.
Hello.
Good name. You look like actor, movie actor. Actually, we are in a scooter where he converted into a auto rickshaw type situation. And lot of things. Guys, Omkar is scared. He's just, he's sitting and just watching what's happening. He's actually fat hai na iska.
Omkar's first expression was like so scared.
I think this vehicle can't actually hold me, so that's why.
Guys, he has really good hair. Say hi. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Good hair.
Thank you. Bob.
Guys, so these people are telling me to do a parade.
You ask the comment section when they reply, yeah? That time you...
Okay, he's trying to make it comedy but very lame. They're telling me to do hair braiding and
Guys, comment down below.
Let's ask take boards. Should I do?
Don't do.
Should I do?
Yes.
Should I do?
100%.
Should I do? Should I do?
I already told.
What?
Yes.
Should I do?
Do, man.
Bro, it's 8 against 1.
Okay guys, let's do it. Morning. Today is the day where we are going to do adventures. And the adventure is starting with the ATV. We woke up around 8:30 and the van came, picked us up, and now we are gonna go internally in this jungle or something. I don't know what is it. I wish the climate was more better. It's getting sunny. It's getting a little bit hot. In Georgia, when we went for the ATV ride, that time Jay fell. So this time, Jay, which hand this time?
This hand.
This time right. So
Every year December it's a
Every 2
tradition
years.
for Jay to break one of his bones. So this time
Every
we're taking
2
to
years,
Thailand
not
to break
one.
his right.
And break, okay, no worry. Yeah, no big mountain, okay.
No break, yeah?
Okay, yalla.
Yo, ready?
ATV was crazy, guys. So crazy.
Tuk-tuk was crazy actually. I enjoyed it.
Yes, they're all lying. They're like, it was not that bombastic and not that bad also. So it was fine. Guys, behind scenes of Thailand videos, Thailand aesthetic videos, behind scenes. And look at our behind scenes. Signed up for it, not too late. Gaurav is wearing crop top vibe. Go, friend, man.
I'm not going with friend.
Okay, so we are going in. Oh, holy shit. The balls have been in.
There is a hidden
It's in. In this video, it may look like, ew. bunch of kids just scared of water and all that. But the thing is, it's extremely cold. Okay, no. Once it's in once your balls are cold, it's fine. Now it feels good.
Till now it's not cold for me. Yours is hanging now. So.
Go.
Where is it? Where's the third leg?
What happened? Someone took yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Bro, balls are wet, it's actually
Okay,
good.
come see. Adil's balls are in. Your all balls are still waiting. We're getting in. Yeah, you guys, like I said, it looks like a bunch of kids getting scared of water. This guy's on next level. Rahul has sended it. Rahul has sended it.
Crazy cold, bro.
Crazy.
But that thrill, bro.
Feel.
2, 1.
It's cold.
I was thinking you're not
Bro, I won half. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You're going, I'll record you.
Oh shit. Bro, what a flow is there, bro?
Oh, now it's fine.
Oh, there's pressure.
I'm trying to.
Be careful.
Bro. Bro, what's the height?
Man.
My chappal. It's going and it'll float now direct.
Where are we going now?
We are going out of this place because it's so cold.
And they're going for river rafting.
And we're going for river rafting. I might not be going. These people might be going and they're going to have so much fun. Rahul. Guys, Ravi got stuck and now he's doing some military training. Got stuck in the plane. Comedy.
Let's go!
Let's go. Guys, now best part of the trip, the moment I've been waiting for. Elephant! Hey bro, what's up? How you doing? Guys, I'm really scared.
Moria.
Okay.
Damn, bro.
Close your mouth. No, that's like petting.
Okay, go.
Okay guys, so we are gonna sit up here and we're gonna chill with the elephant. Feel it.
Alright.
I'm gonna say hi. Hey, we're up. I feel like he's gonna drop me. Bro, why is he coming here?
I have no clue.
Why are you coming here, bro?
He
Are we
thinks-
the statue piece? Guys, he's chilling in the
we're
front
supposed
of
to
the
go in the back and we are stuck here with elephant.
Why is no one telling us to go? Oh, it's crowded. We look like we are the dummy. Like we are in front of the road. So whoever wants, look at us. We are like the advertisers of this. Feels kind of scary because we are not in control. Yeah, that's right.
Action, two, one. Okay, ka. One, two, one. Action, two, one.
Yeah, no.
Let's go.
He's also coming.
Damn.
What's his name? Elephant name?
Maikan.
Mike.
Wow.
I can feel it like one right leg moving, left leg moving.
Bro, this is a dunk that they take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, we can make a lot of shit with this shit. We can make it, like you get it. You can make a lot of shit with this shit. Wow.
Bro, this is
Actually, the elephant has a great scenery to look at every day, but he'll be probably bored of the sea. Catch.
This is way more steep.
The elephant might be wondering, yeah, like what pleasure are these people getting on sitting on top of me? I was just explaining Rahul what does it mean called Anaporth. You're sitting on top of the Anaporam, and in Gujarati it's like Hatini Vati. Hatini?
Hathini wahe baitho.
Hatini Wahe Beto. Wahe Beto means back. For information, I know you guys give zero shit about the elephant though. This elephant especially, his age is 30 years old.
He's a boy.
He's a boy.
His name is Maikan.
Macken. I know he has an accent, I don't know. Maybe in Thai it is different. Oh, you made noise? Oh. It's very
This is scary as fuck, bro. You imagine, bro, you're on top and they're running. They start running, bro. What do you have?
What will we even catch? Throw us out. I was just explaining Rahul about rubber tree. Because in Gujarat, these people have not seen a rubber tree in their life, I think.
Yeah, guys. It's first time seeing rubber tree.
Like in Kerala, it's like very common. Each and every corner there's like a rubber tree and all. And it's like people who own like rubber plantation, like who has a farm. Yeah, rich and all. Before, but now I don't know. I'm not being comfortable now. Look how we're sitting. My hand is locked here and all. Guys, be in there.
Yeah. Where M? Woo.
Now he's gonna record a POV from there.
Mama. Woo. Mayu.
This is the elephant, not this.
Yeah. Can cap. Mayu. Yeah.
He's crying, look. He's like, don't leave, Derek, don't leave. I'll come back to save you one day. I'll take you to Kerala.
Chup. Come on, chup. Elephant kid.
Ah, kiss.
Yes, elephant kiss.
Let go.
Chup. Come on, chup. Chup.
Yeah.
Bro, it's so hard.
Chup. Wow, my chup.
Guys, you know, that is his nose. His nose is all over my hair, his hair.
Chup.
Whoa. What? He's breathing. Ooh. Cutie. I'm taking him home. Guys, he's from Kerala.
Bro, look at his ball sack, bro.
So?
That's his dick or ball?
You touched him, no? He
That became so that is called third leg. Guys, the elephant is peeing and Gaurav is telling, go stand under it, take shower. And Gaurav is saying his and the elephant size same.
Brother, what's
But I'm telling Gaurav is more bigger.
What's that, brother?
Bro, that's a snail.
Damn, bro, the first time my entire life I'm doing this. So imagine from this to this 5 hours, 10 hours.
Yeah, so we'll give shortcut for him, take him, put here. Bro, he's actually going to the next one. Yeah.
So that's this shit, right?
Oh
shit. Oh my god, what is it?
We are saying that we'll take the snail, put him back down there. At least he reached there. His friends actually parked the car. They've already parked the car. He's slow to reach here. This guy gave up, I think.
We got
Let's just see this big in my life.
huge ass snail, bro.
So freaking huge. Tomorrow morning, anyway, we're coming back and checking the update. Where these
Probably like 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter maybe. But look at this guy. This is like straight up looking at me. Today's RMS birthday party. So today it's tonight. Tonight is RMS birthday party. So
You wish.
we decided we'll go ahead and go in a like little bougie, little fancy restaurant. And RMS, you're it.
I am not RMS,
All loaded. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Can't find a cake shop here, and we have come to 7-Eleven because we have no other place here to get a cake. I think starting a cake shop business will be big hit here.
I think you're the worst business partner. You're giving out ideas to support. So guys, give him 1% royalty if your company becomes successful. 1%, that's it. He's not too greedy.
Birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ravi. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, blow, make a wish.
इतना मांगेगा तो कैसे पूरा होगा?
पूरा मांग ले.
25, 20.
तो खुद खाता है. Give me a brother.